Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. In today's video, we are about to do a review on this Holstein Housewares omelet maker. Now y'all, I got this off of Amazon. I'm going to drop the link in the description box if you would like to purchase it. So here we go. Okay everybody, so Katie Bug is going to make an omelet for her and her dad to test it out. So she has some eggs. Then on this plate we have some tomato and onion, cheese, some turkey, honey turkey, and some spinach. Okay, so we about to get it going. All right, y'all. So let's see how this thing works. Yep, spray it.
It doesn't sound like anything in here.
You don't? Spray it and see. Yeah, that's good. Spray the other side. Okay.
Now just pour it in.
Mm-hmm. Pour you a little egg and then add whatever you want to it. Okay, add you some toppings and then pour a little more on top and that should be good. Oh, you forgot the spinach.
Okay.
That's good. It's good. It's going over. Yeah. It's okay. It's good. Mm-hmm. All right. Close it up. Let's see what it do. All right. Let's see what it do. Oh, that did help. It looks good.
Looks a little burnt. Dirty burnt.
It's not burnt, girl. That's good cook on it. All right. Let's get them off. Got it. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Try to get dirty with it. Uh-oh. It's okay. Okay, y'all. It was a little struggle getting it out. But it looked pretty good. You looking for sour cream? It's at the top, baby. Right there. Oh, no, it's not. It's right there. She likes hot sauce with hers and sour cream, so... Say hi to the people.
Hello.
You didn't even look. She won't look yet. There she is.
Hello.
Hello, E. We come to give you a reaction. I'm gonna turn your light on.
All right.
It's hot now.
What?
To us.
Very hot.
Yes. It is.
It's very good.
It's good?
I like it. How long did it take to make?
A few minutes.
Very good.
Okay.
If it saves you time, it's worth it.
Yeah, it's easy. All right.
Thank you.
Love you.
Peace.
She likes sour cream, y'all. Y'all see all that sour cream? All right, I'm gonna let her get back to work, y'all. Give y'all a little footage of the brew. That's baby brew. That's the baby. Hello, brew. Okay, leave me alone. He finna mess with me, y'all. Leave me alone, Bruiser. I was just saying hi. Oh, Lord. Okay. That's it, you guys. So this product is a 10 out of 10 in our household. You want to get it? Don't forget, the link is in the description. Please use that to purchase, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Love y'all big. Bye.